Welcome to our Microsoft Intune course designed for IT administrator and security professional who want to manage and secure devices in today's modern workplace. This course covers Intune fundamental device management, security, automation and hands-on real-world scenarios. Module 1 Microsoft 365 ecosystem and Azure AD basic. In this module you will understand the Microsoft 365 ecosystem and Azure Active Directory work as the identity backbone, learn user group authentication and how Intune integrates with Azure AD. Module 2 Intune architecture and device enrollment. Here you will explore Intune architecture and device enrollment methods, learn how to enroll and manage Windows, iOS and Android device using modern management approaches. Module 3 Device Compliance and Configuration Policies. This module focuses on enforcing security and standard. You will learn how to create compliance policies and configure profiles to keep devices secure and aligned with organizational requirements. Module 4 App Management Win32 M6 and Store App. Learn how to deploy and manage application using Intune. This module covers Win32 app, M6 packages, Microsoft Store app and app update and removal strategies. Module 5 Conditional Access and Security Baseline. In this module, you will configure conditional access policies and apply security baseline. Learn how Intune and Azure AD work together to protect access to corporate resources. Module 6 Troubleshooting, Monitoring and Reporting. Here you will learn how to monitor device health, troubleshooting issue and generate report, understand log, dashboard and proactive monitoring technique. Module 7 Automation, Graph, API Basic for Intune. This module introduces automation using Microsoft Graph API. Learn how to automate Intune tasks, retrieve data and integrate Intune with script and external tools. Module 8 Hands-on Lab and Real-World Scenarios. The final module focuses on hands-on lab and real-world use case. You will practice device enrollment, policy creation, app deployment, and security configuration in practical scenarios. By the end of this course, you will be confident in managing, securing, and automating devices using Microsoft Intune. Enroll today and take control of modern endpoint management.